Hi friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to find the third loop on a stitch. A lot of patterns call for crocheting only in the third loop, which helps your project kind of, for lack of a better term, you'll expand your project outwards like this. So by crocheting in the third loop only, we're going to be leaving these little loops right here facing outwards. This specifically is going to be Lil Ghost. So for this one, these stitches here, they're going to be left outwards so we can go back in later and add his little body, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to show you on this one, this whole row right here that I just finished, these are all half double crochets. So this is where we started. These are all single crochets going up. These are half double crochets. And the reason I did that is because it's a lot easier to find the third loop in a half double crochet. So I'm going to show you how to find it. So you're going to look inside your project. So you see how at the top of every row in all of your stitches, it's going to have this little V. Your third loop is going to be right behind the V. So here's the front V. It kind of makes another little V down here. This is going to be your third loop. So I'm going to show you in this pattern specifically. I just did this row of half double crochets, and I need to join with a slip stitch in the third loop of the first half double crochet. So I'm going to take my project, I'm going to turn it a little bit inwards, and this is going to be my third loop right here. See the front, there's this little V here. This is my third loop in the back. So I'm going to do a slip stitch to join this row. I hate that squeaking. I'm going to take it and pull through both loops, and that's a slip stitch. So for the rest of my pattern, it's a decrease, an invisible decrease in these two stitches, and then I'm going to keep working all the way around. But just for the sake of showing you the third loop, I'll show you again. These are the front V stitches. This is going to be your third loop right here. So you'll just insert right here. We're going to pretend like the pattern calls for a single crochet. We're going to pull through, yarn over, pull through both. That's a single crochet, and it looks like it's kind of stretched right now. As you work all the way around, it'll kind of loosen up, or I guess tighten up a little bit as you go. I'll show you one more time. Here are your front V's. This is your third loop right in here. Insert here. If I were going to do a single crochet, I would yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And that's how you find the third loop. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, click the like button and subscribe for any other tutorials that I'll have coming out. Also, check out this pattern on Etsy. The full pattern is going to be listed once I finish all these tutorials. They're going to be linked in the PDF pattern. I'm also going to sell some crochet kits coming up, so I'm really excited about that. Those are perfect for the holidays coming up. If you know a crocheter or you know somebody who wants to learn how to crochet, these kits are going to be perfect for those. They're going to come with all the yarn, a hook, the stitch markers that you might need, the eyes, pretty much everything that you'll need to make one of these little ghosts. So I'm really excited about that coming out. Again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, and I'll see you later. Bye!